If you've been following me for a while, you know I am a fan of automations, and I have a few videos in which I show you how to create your own Photoshop automations. Well, now Photoshop has decided to change the whole panel on actions or automations, how I like to call them. And I wanted to make this quick video to show you how you can go back to the original one. I may record another video on how to use the new one, but if you're anything like me and you've been using actions for a while and you just open it and you're like, what's going on? It's changed too much and you're panicking, don't worry, you can get back to the original control panel. So this is how you do it. When you go to Windows and open your actions panel, clicking here, it will pop up something like this in the latest versions of Adobe Photoshop. You want to go in the hamburger menu here, click on it, and change it to classic actions. Once you click this, it should look like it's always looked for you, and you are ready to start recording your actions or using your actions however you want. If you want to learn how to use the new actions panel, let me know through the comments and I'll be happy to record a new video about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week in another Tuesday tip tutorial. Bye!